लगेगा ध्यान रख, हाथ पे टूट मुझे। अच्छा मुझसे लड़ोगे? आ जाओ लड़ लो। डिपार्टमेंट है मेरा, डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं, बिल्कुल एक डिपार्टमेंट है। मैं तुझे दिखाऊंगी कैसे कैसे टाइम है। यस it's zero orbital debris poem. We discussed yesterday also this PSLV. Yes, now consider the following statement regarding interset differential and currency depreciation. The difference between the benchmark rate announced by the central bank of two countries called the interest differentiation. Higher interest rates ये कल कर लिया था. Recently, the old Kijade dam burst was in news. It was related to which of the following? So, old Kijabe, and that was in Kenya. Okay, the old Kijabe, and this dam is in Kenya. So, the dam burst near the village of Rift Valley of the South Kenya, and recently been hit hard by the flood crisis due to the combined effect of El Nino. Not a significant source of greenhouse gas emission. Africa is not a significant source of greenhouse, but 2 to 3% of the world carbon dioxide emission होता है यहाँ पे, and from energy and industrial sources. According to the United Nations Framework Convention on the Climate Change, the Africa is also the continent most vulnerable to the impact of climate change. Consider the following statement about the change of Chang'e mission. Chang'e 6 is a set to the first mission attempting to collect the lunar sample from far side of moon. The mission will utilize the same spacecraft used in China lunar mission, so that is not true. So China upcoming mission preparing to launch a robotic spacecraft to recollect the sample. So preludes the future goals. This mission is the first step towards the 3 more challenging mission. Establishment of a base on the lunar south pole, and the significance of world first attempt to bring back sample from the moon. Progress in the lunar change. Chang'e mission named after the legendary Chinese moon goddess. China has significantly advanced its lunar exploration capabilities. 20 the lunar exploration Chang'e mission in 2007. Now in 2020 China successfully retrieval sample from the moon near site, and 40-year demonstration its capability to return unmanned spacecraft safely in the earth. Upcoming mission is Chang'e 6 mission to the moon far sites, and aiming to the collect lunar soil and rocks. Mission detail is 53-day mission होगा, will depend on the relay of the satellite for the communication between spacecraft and the earth. The ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge. This LASAM 20, and that was the ACTCM barge project. So Sarya Dipta project private limited Thane. Okay, this was in the Thane. Sarya Dipta project private limited, and that was in the Thane. Assumination cum torpedo cum missile barge, and that was in the Thane. So the launch the ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge yard 6 barge of the 11 into ACTC barge project, and this was built by the MSME shipyard of Surya Dipta project. Now torpedo cum missile barge is a specialized vessel used by the Indian Navy to transport various type of ammunition, torpedoes, missile to operational area. So torpedo missile system is like this, and these barge are indigenously designed and built under the relevant naval rules and regulation of Indian registered of shipping. The availability of these barge would provide the impetus to operation commitment, facilitation, transportation, and disembarkment of the article. Next is recently finance ministry release किया है provisional data on the tax collection. So corporate tax exceed the personal income tax as share of the gross tax revenue. Indirect tax receipts is 60%. That is not true. It is I think 55%. Effective personal income tax rate is India is highest among the BRICS. That is also doubtful. Now first is incorrect. Personal income tax exceed the corporate tax, not the corporate tax. So personal income tax is more than the corporate tax. So first is wrong हो गया, ठीक है. And now question second, indirect tax received amount for over the 60% of the tax collection. So this is actually correct. So indirect tax is collection is over the 60% of the tax collection is the indirect tax. I think it was 55, but here is given the 60%. And next is indirect tax received amount to 60%. And last one is effective personal income tax rate in India is one of the highest and not the highest in BRICS country. So third one is also incorrect. You can see this figure. So this is the personal income tax. First is this is the corporate tax and this is the income tax. So this is 28% and corporate tax is 26%. Now indirect tax is 65%, you can see here, and direct tax is 34% in this figure. And again you can see this is 45, 45, 42, 35. So China, now Africa, India is 42%. It is not highest. China and Africa is highest in the BRICS country, and rest all is like this. In case country had two tax regime, the highest effective tax rate was considered for the comparison. Next one is electronic trading platform. So these are electronic system on which eligible instrument like security, money market, foreign exchange instrument are contracted. In India, no entity shall be operate on the ETP without the obtaining prior authorization of RBI under the electronic trading platform of the Direct 2018. Next, recently RBI in electronic system other than a recognizing stock exchange on which transaction and eligible instrument, the security, foreign exchange instrument and derivations. So no entity shall be operate in India without obtaining the authorization of the RBI under the electronic trading platform. The resident personnel obtaining the without the authorization. Minimum net worth is the 5 crore rupees shall continue to maintain the minimum net worth, and it is a penal action including the Foreign Exchange Management Act. So FEMA Act and Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So ETP authorized by the RBI shall host transaction only in the approved by the RBI for the authorization, and shall be a company incorporated in the India. It shall be a company, and an entity seeking authorization as ETP shall maintain minimum net worth of 5 crore rupees. Next is there shall be a company in India, and ये हो गया पूरा okay. Now next one is 39A, 39B, 39C. The citizen, men and women equally have the right to adequate means of livelihood, that equal pay for equal work, that operation of economical system does not result concentration of the wealth, that ownership and the control of the material resources of the community are so distributed best to serve the common. So there was the 31C, why the Supreme Court deciding if fundamental right still exists. So one is correct, that the means of livelihood के बारे में है. 2 is incorrect, ownership and control of material resources के बारे में बताया गया, equal distribution के बारे में नहीं. Operation of economical system does not result the concentration of the wealth. So C is also correct. And 2 is incorrect, ownership of control of the material resource of community are distributed best serve common good. And 4th is incorrect, equal pay for equal work, hence 4th is incorrect. So pair 3rd is correct, but pair 4th is incorrect. So see here, the ownership of control of material resources of community distributed based of serve as a common good, that was in the B, and that there is a equal pay for equal work, that was in the D, 39D. Okay. So with reference to the International Network for Terrestrial Research and Monitoring in the Arctic, so this is a World Bank funded infra project of terrestrial research throughout the Arctic and adjoining forest alpine region. Okay, this is for the alpine region and the Arctic region. Interact bring together station manager, technology development experts and scientific community, as well as major international organization and education establishment, providing well balanced and truly integrated circumpolar network. सो इंटरेक्ट ने क्या किया है, मैनेजर टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटीज़ भी होती हैं यहाँ पे, international organization and the educational establishment providing a well-balanced circum network. So यहाँ पर 2 तो right है but 1 is not. Interact is a World Bank funded infra project, that is not right. So Interact is a EU Horizon 2020 funded infra project for terrestrial research and that was EU Horizon funded है. World Bank इसको फंड नहीं देता है. International Network for Terrestrial Research of Monitoring of Arctic and European Union Horizon इसको फंड देता है. Okay. So project SCANET network of the field station situated in all the 8 Arctic country. It bring together an advanced community to build the capacity for identifying, understanding, responding diverse environment changes. The project provided long-term legacy by mentoring and educating next generation, as well as providing the one-stop shop provision. So this is transnational access in providing so the Interact to provide opportunity for research from the Europe and beyond to carry out the research 18 terrestrial stations. The improved access has led to the more collaboration, better measurement and new research. International Network for Terrestrial Research and the Monitoring of Arctic, and this was the coordinator behalf of the Interact team. Interact team for measurement across the more religious and new research directions. Next one is a state can borrow within the territory of India or outside upon the security of the consolidated fund of the state without any consent. A state can borrow outside India only with the consent of the government of India. If there is an outstanding loan which has been made to the state by the government of India or by its guarantee, the state cannot raise any loan without the consent of the government of India. So according to Article 293, a state can indeed borrow within the territory of India. So this is true actually. Okay, this is true. But incorrectly suggests that the state can also borrow from the outside India without the government India consent. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि state can borrow within the territory and outside upon the security without any consent. That is wrong actually. Okay, this is wrong. And answer 2 is correct. So first is wrong. A state can borrow outside India only with consent. Yes. If there is any outstanding loan which has been made to a state by the government of India or by the guarantee, the state cannot raise any loan without the consent of government of India. That is also correct. Okay, now next one is, which of the following statement correctly describe the term lunar structure? An impact. This is an impact crater located in Gujarat created by an iron-rich asteroid clashing in Earth. So this is a impact crater होता है, ये लोकेट है गुजरात में. आयरन रिच एस्टेरॉइड्स जो हैं इससे ये बना है लूना स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो लूना स्ट्रक्चर मिस्टीरियस क्रेटर है जो कि गुजरात कच्छ में फॉर्म ड्यू टू वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट मेटेरॉइड्स क्रैश ऑफ द अर्थ. It is believed that during the impact, this meteorite may have generated a colossal fireball and shock waves and wildfires. So potentially, the region inhabited by the people of the ancient Indus Valley civilization, 1.8 km wide and situated in low-lying alluvion and Bunny Plains, Kutch. It is composed of minerals such as the wastitutite and the alvospine and hercynite. Previously, origin was linked to the ancient Harappan civilization, but now lunar structure appear as the circular feature of the Bunny Plain. Next is with reference to the heat wave, consider the following. Generally, heat wave is identified when the daily highest temperature surpass the average maximum temperature. High level of the humidity can give relief from this heat wave. That is not true. Humidity can't give relief from the heat wave. But generally, the heat wave is identified when the daily highest temperature, average maximum temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So heat wave are prolonged period of the excessively hot weather while may be accompanied by the high humidity, especially in the oceanic climate country. तो हाई ह्यूमिडिटी की वजह से ये होता है विच हैज़ बीन अकम्प्लिशिंग बाय द हाई ह्यूमिडिटी. हियर द प्रोलॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ एक्सेसिव हॉट वेदर होता है विच मे बी अकम्प्लिश बाय द हाई ह्यूमिडिटी स्पेशली इन द ओशिनिक क्लाइमेट. It's considered extreme weather events and can have a significant impact on the human and the environment. Duration heat wave can last from the several days to the several weeks. The definition of the heat wave varies by the region based on the local climate. Typically, it is defined when the daily maximum temperature of more than 5 consecutive days, average maximum temperature 5 degrees Celsius, high level of humidity can make heat wave more unbearable and dangerous due to the heat index or the feel like temperature being higher than the actual air temperature. तो इससे और भी ज़्यादा dangerous. तो high level humidity can give relief from heat wave, that is actually wrong. It make heat wave more dangerous and unbearable. High pressure system, in many cases heat wave can cause the movement of the persistent high pressure atmospheric system. Climate change, frequently intensity and duration of the heat wave have increased in recent decade and consist the global climate change prediction. Greenhouse gas emission and extreme weather events. Heat wave can lead to the heat exhaustion, heat stroke and dehydration, and the elderly, children and those with the pre-existing health conditions particularly vulnerable. Urban planning, city can adopt urban planning strategy, mitigate the heat such as the green space, implementing cool roof and enhancing the natural ventilation. Early warning system and public measures. Okay, next is Arunachal Pradesh shares the international border with two nations, so that is not true. Arunachal Pradesh shares its state border with the two Indian states. Arunachal Pradesh share international border with three nations. Arunachal Pradesh shares state border with three Indian states, that is wrong. थ्री इंडियन स्टेट्स के साथ नहीं है बॉर्डर, इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर तीन नेशंस के साथ है और स्टेट बॉर्डर विद टू इंडियन नेशंस के साथ बॉर्डर है. अरुणाचल प्रदेश शेयर इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर विद टू नेशन, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. थ्री नेशंस के साथ बॉर्डर शेयर करता है और टू इंडियन स्टेट्स के साथ ये बॉर्डर शेयर करता है. ठीक है. सो लोकेशन ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट. इट बॉर्डर स्टेट असम एंड नागालैंड. टू द साउथ शेयर इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर भूटान, म्यांमार एंड चाइना. तो तीन तो इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर हो गए, भूटान, म्यांमार एंड चाइना, एंड टू वॉज द नेशनल बॉर्डर असम एंड नागालैंड. टेरेन इज मोस्टली माउंटेनियस पार्ट ऑफ द ईस्टर्न हिमालय and mostly mountainous part of the eastern Himalayan climate. It is one of the highest biodiversity and home to the diverse mosaic and ethnic group, language and culture. Mix of the various indigenous tribe, Lozer and Solung and the Nyokum and Ri widely celebrated. Economy, rice is one of the principal crop in the Arunachal Pradesh, and forestry is also there. Significant potential for hydroelectrical power generation. Arunachal Pradesh holds a strategic importance due to the border with the China McMahon Line, a demarcation further draw between the Tibet and the British India. The Tawang Monastery is a very famous monastery and which is also in Arunachal Pradesh, and second largest Potala Palace in the Lhasa, Tibet. After the Potala Place in the Lhasa, that is in the Tibet. And the state natural landscape such as the Namdapha National Park is the largest protected area in the India, offer the immense opportunity for ecotourism. So Namdapha Park is also there. Scores has introduced a uniform timeline for 21 calendar day from date of receipt for the redressal. An offline complaint registration system has been introduced alongside the online, and that is not true. It is initiative of RBI. So we can see what is score. तो SEBI ने लॉन्च किया है. दिस इज़ नॉट लॉन्च बाय द RBI. ओके. एंड इट इज़ कंप्लेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है 21 कैलेंडर डे ऑफ द रिसिप्ट रिड्रेसल. सो अभी देख लेते हैं. So it is launched by the SEBI first of all, and uniform timeline for redressal of the complaints within the 21 calendar days. So that is true. Currently required to submit the action in 30 days का है. ठीक है. Now purpose, strengthen the complaints redressal mechanism and investor complaint redressal mechanism, making the process more efficient and auto routing monitoring by the designated body. And score is an individual launched by the SEBI, not RBI. Okay. This is by the SEBI, not RBI. Therefore, which is the following statement is correct about the gravity hole? A region of the ocean where the effect of gravity are less than the usual. तो gravity का effect less होता है usual से, that is gravity hole. So the region of the ocean where the effect of gravity are less than the usual gravity hole where the earth gravitational pull it's weaker, resulting the depression of the sea. Ocean geoloid low and the stand out of the most prominent gravitational anomalies. Dutch geophysicist Felix Hendricks, during this gravity survey, it has continued to baffle researchers, remain unresolved. So दिस इज अ ग्रेविटी होल रीजन ऑफ द ओशियन. इफेक्ट ऑफ द ग्रेविटी आर लेस देन यूजुअल. यहाँ पे ग्रेविटी का इफेक्ट लेस देन यूजुअल होता है, ठीक है. एंड ग्रेविटी होल वेयर द अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल पुल इज वीकर. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ग्रेविटेशनल पुल वीकर हो जाता है, रिजल्टिंग द डिप्रेशन इन द सी लेवल. 328 फीट का डिप्रेशन हो गया, ठीक है. ओशियन जियोइड लॉस भी बोल सकते हैं, टिपिकली इसको कहा जा सकता है. सो डच का जो जियोफिजिसिस्ट फेलिक्स एंड्रिस था, इसने इसको डिफाइन किया था. देन मैग्मा प्लूम्स, रिसर्चर प्रपोज द मैग्मा प्लूम्स ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम डीप विद इन द अर्थ आर सिमिलर टू द फॉर्मिंग वॉल्केनो. एंड मैग्मा प्लूम, यू कैन सी दिस डायग्राम. मैग्मा प्लूम linked to the disappearance of the ancient ocean during the Indian land masses shifted to the collision with the Asia. Next is phenomena of the tidal locking. So it is a condition in which astronomical body orbital period around its partner matches its rotational period, resulting in the same side always facing the partner. Typically occurs system where there was a significant differences in the mass and gravitational force between two bodies. So the tidal locking is a condition in which astronomical body orbital period around the partner matches and same side always facing the partner. This synchronization means one hemisphere particularly faces the host star while the other side is constant darkness, and this was occur system where there was a significant difference in the masses and gravitational forces of the two body. Okay, so this is moon is example of the tidal locking with the earth, as we always see the same side of the moon from the earth. So this is a tidal locking. Significant difference in the mass and gravitational force between the two body. So difference of the mass and gravitational force and leading to the tidal forces between two closely orbiting bodies cause the tidal locking, and the gravitational pull is stronger on the side of the moon. Over the time, energy involved in the maintaining this bulge slow rotation and tidal locked body can have extreme climate. And यहाँ पे क्या होता है, extreme climate हो सकता है. This is the extreme climatic conditions. Astronomical observation and the study. Astronomical study tidal locking exoplanet to understand their atmosphere, surface and the temperature and potential for the water and the life. Technique include the analyzing the light curve and the spectral data. An international team of the astronomers and astrophysicians has confirmed the first known observation in the tidal locking. First known observation of tidally locked super-Earth exoplanet, and that was Astrophysical Journal. The group of described the unique approach confirmed that exoplanet LHS 3844b ये tidally locked ही है. So high tide and low tide. Job for Resilient Report, and this is released by the World Bank. Name is Job for Resilience Report. Resilience Report, and that is released by the World Bank. Okay, World Bank is releasing this report, Job for Resilience. So World Bank warned to the South Asia region, including India, was not making use of the demographic dividend. And Job for Resilience, this is between the 2000 to 2020 India employment ratio more than in the any South Asian country except Nepal. नेपाल का एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेशियो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. इंडिया रोबस्ट इकोनॉमिकल एक्सपेंशन हाउएवर kept the region output growth stronger. Nothing that India economy was expected to post a robust growth in 7.5%, and the lender said this expansion coupled with the recovery of the Sri Lanka and the Pakistan. So region could have a 16% higher output growth, and the weak employment trend was region were concentrated in non-agriculture sector. Now exercise Gagan Shakti, Indian Air Force to test its capability. It is the Gagan Shakti. And this Gagan Shakti was the Indian Air Force की है. ये अपनी कैपेबिलिटी टेस्ट करने के लिए करते हैं. सो इंडियन एयरफोर्स 10-day एक्सरसाइज, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस एक्सरसाइज गगन शक्ति will mobilize all its base. Exercise is being conducted various locations and the Pokhran firing range Jaisalmer. Gagan Shakti is the biggest war exercise after the Vayu Shakti. Consider the following asset monetization program. It is aimed to the unlocking the economical value, and National Land Monetization Corporation established 100% Government of India owned carry monetization non-core. National Monetization Pipeline is launched to serve as a roadmap for the asset monetization. Brownfield infra assets across the including the roads, railway, and so asset monetization सारे ही सही हैं. Asset monetization creating new source of the revenue for government, unlocking economical values. Public asset can be any property owned public body, roads and railway. Aim unlocking the economical values and National Land Monetization Corporation was established. 100% Government of India का owned है. So National Monetization Pipeline is launched. The serve as a roadmap for the asset monetization and several brownfield asset. So India's the idea of the asset monetization was first suggested the committee led by the economist Vijay L. Kelkar. Roadmap for the fiscal consolidation and asset monetization was first suggested the committee led by economic Vijay L. Kelkar. The government of India announced the national monetization pipeline 6 trillion on the 23. This scheme aims to serve the roadmap for the asset monetization, brownfield infrastructure, railway, road and aviation. And the portal was also there for the asset monetization portal, housing, and this was a private sector company. It will also assess the potential value for the unused and underutilized government asset. The target raised 6 trillion through the asset monetization. From this, the ownership of the asset will be retained and underutilized. Brownfield assets are in the sector road, railway and the airport and mines. So according to the official committee, the 5 sectors contributed. There was a road 27%, railway 25%, power 15% and oil and gas that was 8%. The Paradip Port is a natural deep water port in the eastern coast of Odisha. It is a confluence of the Mahanadi River of Bay of Bengal of Calcutta and North Visakhapatnam. Recently, it has become the highest cargo handling major port for the country in the financial year. Okay, so this Paradip Port is a deep water port in the east coast of the Paradip and Jagatsinghpur of the Odisha. The Bay of Bengal and Kolkata, North Visakhapatnam, Mahanadi River, and the port is administered Paradip Authority. Okay, after the independence, the Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal apart from Odisha. India is the eastern coast, सब जगह पर है. The port handled cargo such as crude oil, petroleum, oil and lubricants है यहाँ पे. Major minor port. So you can see in this diagram, there is a major port under the Major Port Trust 1963, managed by the central government, and the Ennore Company Act 1956. Minor ports are governed under the Minor Port Act. So the Mundra Port, Kandla Port and Mumbai Port, Goa Port, Mangaluru Port, Cochin Port, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Kolkata and the Haldia Port. So इसमें से विशाखापट्टनम आर्टिफिशियल है, चेन्नई पोर्ट आर्टिफिशियल है, तुतीकोरिन इज ऑल्सो आर्टिफिशियल एंड द मैंगलोर पोर्ट इज ऑल्सो. मैंगलुरु, तुतीकोरिन, चेन्नई and Visakhapatnam, these 4 ports are the artificial ports. Global Plastic Treaty mandated 75% of the reduction by 2040. Process Treaty will prioritize the ambitious target and promote the sustainable alternative. Originally, the Peru and Rwanda, the Global Plastic Treaty stated the finalizing this 2024. So, all of 3 are true. Recognizing urgency, 175 United Nations member state negotiate a global legally binding treaty, and this legally binding treaty that would tackle the entire life cycle of the plastic. Global Plastic Treaty that would be the 75% तक इसको कम करना है in instrument to address the plastic pollution and key aspects such as the extraction of the fossil fuel and the design plastic, their production, consumption and association, waste management, sustainable alternative and the environment protections, and 75% तक इसको reduce करना है. This reduction in the critical to safeguard the biodiversity. Over 99% of the plastic made from the fossil fuel, and it is a significant driver for the climate change. Preparing the 4th meeting of the intergovernmental negotiation of the Committee on Plastic Pollution in the Ottawa. So this was INC task with the developing a legally binding global plastic treaty. The final negotiations round is scheduled the Busan, South Korea. Now the next is Global Carbon Project. The Carbon Project under the World Meteorological Organization that aim develop the comprehensive understanding of the carbon cycle. So that is wrong. One of the primary goal is to support the policy making robust, up-to-date scientific data on the carbon chain. So this was the Future Earth Research Initiative, and it's not the World Meteorological Organization is wrong. It is a Future Earth Research Initiative, and primary goal is indeed to provide the scientific policy making understanding of the carbon cycle, focus improving the understanding of carbon cycle, and this is central for informing policy response of the climate. Global carbon budget reports it's providing the global regional carbon dioxide emission, ओसीन के अंदर कितना है, लैंड के अंदर है, एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर. दीज एफर्ट ग्रेटली सपोर्ट द पॉलिसी मेकर्स. एंड वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्मेशन. द वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना था 1950 में, एंड इंटर गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. इट बिकम ए स्पेशलाइज एजेंसी ऑफ द यूएन इन 1951 में फॉर मेट्रोलॉजी एंड ऑपरेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोलॉजी रिलेटेड टू द जियो फिजिकल. सो फैसिलिटेटिंग द फ्री एंड अनरेस्ट्रिक्टेड एक्सचेंज ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजिकल डाटा, promote coordination and rapid advance in meteorological science, enhancing the public safety. हेडक्वार्टर इन जेनेवा स्विट्ज़रलैंड में है और 193 मेंबर्स इसके स्टेट्स इसके मेंबर्स हैं. रिप्रेजेंटेटिंग ग्लोबल कोलैबोरेटिव नेटवर्क फॉर द नेशनल मेट्रोलॉजिकल हाइड्रोलॉजिकल सर्विसेज. की पब्लिकेशंस जो हैं, WMO was published the authority scientific reports and assessment including the annual state global climate reports and overview the global and regional climate conditions. WMO oversees the several critical program aim improving the weather, climate and the water monitoring and global atmospheric watch, world global climate, hydrology and resource management. Recently, Tale Valley Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. Tale is in the Arunachal Pradesh. So the Tale Valley of the Wildlife Sanctuary protect the Arunachal Pradesh, established 95, elevation 1200 to 300, and the harbor subtropical and temperate broad-leaved. A rare butterfly species named the Nephthys and commonly known the long-stick sailor. Tale was in the lower Subansiri district of the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Asia including the eastern Siberia, Korea and Japan. Hockey stick markings with the sport in the space. The discovery of the species been formally published in the current issue of the peer-reviewed journal Tropical Lepidoptera Research. So this is the in the lower Subansiri district of the Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following correct the cosmic microwave background? It is a radiation from Big Bang afterglow of the creation of the universe. So the cosmic microwave background, this is the faint cosmic background radiation, sea of the photons, particle of the light present throughout the universe. So they are Big Bang or time of the universe begun. So this is scientists because of help us the learn how the earth was formed. Temperature change in this the studies large scale property using the complicated trigonometry and nearly zero curvature. So this was change studied the large scale property of trigonometry, nearly zero curvature. Wilkins microwave was probed the boom range and the Planck 68 km per second per megaparsec. So this how we can learn how the universe is formed. How the universe is formed. The name is cosmic microwave background. Consider about the northern sea route. So northern sea route extends from a boundary between the Barents Kara Sea to the Bering Sea of 5600. It is the shortest maritime path and Asia Pacific के अंदर, यूरोप के अंदर, and offering a distance of the 50% compared to the traditional route. So both are true. Okay, so northern sea route is shortest shipping route, Europe and country of the Asia Pacific region, and 4 sea of the Arctic. So this 50% compared to the currently used shipping lanes of the Suez of Panama. The route begins the boundary between the Barents and the Kara Sea and Bering Strait. So this is the Suez Canal, which is from the widely used maritime routes. Russia is the only country in the world with a nuclear powered icebreaker. The Chennai-Vladivostok Maritime Corridor Project. Chennai project is also Sea of the Japan and the South China Sea and the Malacca Strait is bring down the transport time. St. Petersburg Mumbai route. Consider the following total fertility rates. So total fertility rate is average number of the children a woman is expected to have in her lifetime. So total fertility rate is the average number of the children a woman is expected to have in her lifetime. That is the total fertility rate. A total fertility rate 2.0 is required to ensure the population size in India remains stable. In a span of 50 years, 1968 21 total fertility dropped 5.7 to 2.03. तो दो करेक्ट है इसमें. फर्स्ट, टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट की डेफिनेशन सही है. एवरेज नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ए वुमन एक्सपेक्टेड टू द लाइफ. और रिप्लेसमेंट लेवल की 2.1 है. इट्स नॉट 2, इट्स ए 2.1. इट्स नॉट ए 2, इट्स ए 2.1. ओके, 2.1 है और अभी ये 5.7 से 2.03 पर आ गई है. ठीक है. सो दिस आर ट्रू एक्चुअली. Next one is Singapore, Hong Kong fertility rates are lower than 1, and poor fertility rate lead to the imbalance of the population with older population. ठीक है. Next is while country took many years to reach the 15% mark, they estimated 30% mark in relatively quicker manner. So यहाँ देख सकते हैं total fertility rate. चाइना, सिंगापुर, साउथ कोरिया, जापान, ताइवान एंड हांगकांग. यहाँ पे 1.16 चाइना की है, 0.92 सिंगापुर की है, जापान की 1.26 है, ताइवान की 0.87 है, हांगकांग की 0.7, कोरिया की 0.7. ठीक है. एंड साउथ कोरिया पेरेंट्स विथ ए बेबी लेस देन 1 ईयर. तो ये पूरी मतलब फिगर्स हैं जिसको हमें रीड करना होता है. दे आर नॉट दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन प्रॉस्पेक्ट कहाँ से आता है? तो वर्ल्ड बैंक इसके साथ कोलैबोरेटेड होता है. डाटा है ये वर्ल्ड बैंक का, वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन प्रॉस्पेक्ट. ओके, नाउ दिस इज ऑल डाटास. नाउ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट करेक्टली डिस्क्राइब ए फीचर ऑफ पब्लिक सेफ्टी एक्ट? इट अलाउ फॉर डिटेंशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल विदाउट ट्रायल फॉर मैक्सिमम पीरियड ऑफ 6 मंथ. तो डिटेंशन किया जाता है इंडिविजुअल का बिना ट्रायल के मैक्सिमम 6 मंथ तक. दैट इज़ द पब्लिक सेफ्टी एक्ट related to the detention. Okay, so Public Safety Act is in Jammu Kashmir. Public Safety Act 1978. This law has been a critical tool for the preventing detaining individuals who are considered a threat to the public order. This is allow a detention of the individual without trial, aimed at ensuring public safety. The act was allow the detention individual without trial 6 months. ठीक है. Next one is the term doxing was the recently seen. Doxing involves the malicious act gathering and publishing the private or identifying information about an individual on the internet, often with the intent to harm. So doxing एक malicious act है जिसमें आपकी कोई गैदरिंग हो जाती है, पब्लिशिंग हो जाती है इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड ऑफन विद द इंटेंट ऑफ द हार्म पहुँचाने के लिए. सो ड्रॉपिंग डॉग्स. सो डॉक्सिंग इज ए ड्रॉपिंग डॉग्स malicious act of gathering, publishing private or identifying the information about an individual on the internet, usually with the intent to shame, harm, extort, threaten, the intimidate, the harass, revenge for the person. So motivate behind the doxing can vary widely from the personal vendettas to political activism. Consequences for the victim can be served, leading to the embarrassment, job loss, emotional distress, threat or even the physical harm भी दिया जा सकता है. So this most social platform and the community have a policy against the doxing. It is a severe violation of the privacy and the personal safety. Legal ramification can also apply depending on the jurisdiction. Cyber stalking भी होता है. Cyber stalking is kind of the harassment. It is important to understand the ethical consideration and the potential for the harm. So the responsible internet use involve the respecting others' privacy and the considering the potential devastating impact that sharing personal information can have on individual lives. Now next is there is a 5 hepatitis viruses. Okay, and hepatitis A and E are transmitted through the contaminated food and water. So that is also that quite doubtful. Hepatitis C is prevented by vaccination, but B is can cured with the medications. So now we are seeing हेपेटाइटिस इन इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द लीवर. होता क्या है? ये इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है लीवर में. इट कैन बी द एक्यूट इन्फेक्शन ऑफ क्रॉनिक इन्फेक्शन. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द हेपेटाइटिस एंड वायरल हेपेटाइटिस कज बाय वन ऑफ द सेवरल हेपेटाइटिस A, B, C, D. अल्कोहलिक हेपेटाइटिस विच इज कज बाय द हैवी अल्कोहल यूज. ठीक है, वायरस से भी होता है, अल्कोहल से भी होता है. टॉक्सिक हेपेटाइटिस कैन बी कज द सर्टेन पॉइजन एंड केमिकल मेडिसिन्स. Hepatitis B can be prevented by vaccination and C can be cured with the medication. So this is opposite actually. This is wrong. And B can be prevented by the vaccination and C with the medication. And इसके सिम्टम क्या होते हैं? फीवर हो जाएगा, फैटिक, लॉस ऑफ द एपेटाइट एंड नोसिया. एंड सम पीपल हेपेटाइटिस डू नॉट हैव द सिम्टम एंड डू नॉट नो दे आर इन्फेक्टेड. ओके, सो hepatitis D, that can only be infect those who are already infected with the hepatitis B. It can thus be prevented by the vaccination. Hepatitis A and E usually spread through the contact with the food and water, and that is contaminated with the infected person. Okay. So viral hepatitis spread hepatitis A and E is usually through the contact of the food and water. A और E तो food और water के contact से हो जाता है. And you can also get the hepatitis E by eating undercooked food. Undercooked food जो होता है उससे भी होता है. B, C, D spread through the contact of the blood. Blood के contact से होता है B, C और D. And B and D are also spread through the contact of the body fluid. Body fluid से भी B और D हो जाएगा. This is happen in many ways, such sharing drug needles or having a unprotected sex.